Good morning, kids! I am your teacher for today. I am Teacher May. How are you? You can say, I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful. Again, how are you? I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful. Okay, good morning again. Now, for today, our class is about colors. Are you ready to learn with me? Yes, I am. Very good. Now, let us watch the video first. Okay, everybody, watch the video.
The Singing Walrus.
You can sing. Clap your hands. Tell me, I see an apple and it's red. I see a carrot and it's orange. What? I see a lemon and it's yellow. I see a frog and it's green. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. I see a fish and it's blue. I see a flower and it's purple. I see a flamingo and it's pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Okay, now repeat after me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Okay, that is our rainbow colors. Okay, today we are going to learn about, everybody say, colors. Okay, everybody say colors. Very good. Today our lesson is about colors. The first color in the rainbow color is red. Very good. It is red. Okay, repeat after me, please. Everybody say red. Red. Red apple. Red apple. Very good. Next color is orange. Orange. Everybody say orange. Orange. Orange carrot. Orange carrot. Very good. Next. What color is it? Very good. Yellow, yellow, yellow lemon, yellow lemon. Very good. The next, what color is it? Very good. Green, green, green frog, green frog. Good job. Next, what color is it? Blue. Very good. Blue. Blue fish. Blue fish. Excellent. Next, we have purple. Purple. Very good. Again, purple. Purple. Purple flower. Purple flower. Very good. The last one is pink. Very good. Pink. Good job. It is pink. Okay. Now, let us review. Again, we have red. Red apple. One more time. Red apple. Orange. Orange carrot. Orange carrot. Very good. Next, yellow lemon. Yellow lemon. Green frog. Green frog. Blue fish. Blue fish. Purple flower. Purple flower. Very good. Pink flamingo. Pink flamingo. Very good. Now, I will show you the picture and you are going to tell me what color is it, okay? Okay. What color is it? Very good. What color? Pink. Very good. Pink. How about this one? What color? Blue. Good job. Blue. Next, what color? Green. Very good. Green. What color? Yellow. Very good. Yellow. What color? Orange. Orange. Good job. And the last one? Oh, red. Very good. Color? Red. So, for our topic today, it's about the rainbow colors. Okay, very good job. Now, let us review one more time. Ready? Color? What? Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. And pink. Very good. That is our topic for today. See you again next time. Goodbye.